So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Visa stock, ticker symbol V, on Moomoo. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do, go to the top right beside the mail icon, press on the magnifying glass, then just type in ticker symbol V, not C, V. At the top, Visa, press on that. Once you're here, go down to the bottom left and the orange trade button, press on that, then press on the green buy button. Once you're here, you can adjust the session type you're wanting to buy this stock in. You can also change the order type as well to whatever order type you're looking for. You can type in the quantity, so if you wanted to buy, let's just say 2 shares, for instance, the estimated cost will be right below. And if you want to proceed with your transaction, just press on the green buy button and follow the steps this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Visa stock on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.